Hi kids, welcome back once again. Now open your book of science and chapter number 14. आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 14 का बुक वर्क करेंगे और मैम आपको हमेशा बताती है बुक वर्क इट मीन्स हमें वर्क बुक में करना है. सो ओपन योर बुक एंड पेज नंबर 106. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बुक वर्क फ्रॉम ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. सबसे पहले हम फिलअप्स करेंगे. So we had learned lots of new things. Weather, water affects weather, and then the water cycle, and air affects weather, climate and season. So first is weather change dash. It may change even during a dash day. So weather change quickly. वेदर जल्दी से चेंज होता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको 3-4 डेज लगते हैं. अभी आप देख रहे हैं, अगर मैम बाहर देखिए तो अभी धूप है, अभी सनशाइन है, सनी है डे. लेकिन अगर वेदर कभी भी चेंज हो सकता है, क्या पता अभी थोड़ी देर में बारिश हो जाए. तो वेदर चेंज क्विकली, जल्दी से चेंज हो जाता है वेदर. इट मे चेंज even during a single day. The amount of dash in the air affects the weather of a place. So the amount of water vapor. Beta, do not use pen, use only pencil. The water cycle is the process through which dash moves all around the earth. Water cycle में क्या move करता है? Water move करता है all around the earth. The clouds get very heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain or snow. So the clouds get very heavy. Gentle wind is referred to as breeze and causes a soothing and pleasant weather. Dash is the average weather for a particular region and time period. So climate is the average weather for a particular region and time period. So now seasons name: summer, winter, rainy, autumn and spring are the main seasons. Now turn page number 107. Beta, you have to make a diagram like this. You have to draw it in your fair notebook. Make a diagram of water cycle like this. Okay. So now we have to label the diagram of the water cycle given below. So here is sun's energy heats up water to evaporate. So here we write sun's energy heats up water to evaporate. Here is condensation, clouds बन रहे हैं. This is precipitation. यहाँ पर जब क्लाउड्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी हो जाते हैं तो वो बारिश और स्नो की फॉर्म में गिरने लग जाते हैं। नाउ हियर इज कलेक्शन ऑफ वाटर, यहाँ पर सी, ओशन, कहीं से भी, दिस इज सी, evaporation, next is what is being referred to, give one word answer. Water vapor in the air gets cooled down and changes back into liquid forming clouds. So the answer is condensation. The amount of water vapor in the air, it's called humidity. The process through which water moves all around the earth. The answer is water cycle. The average weather of a particular region over a time period, it's climate. When water falls back to earth as precipitation, it may fall back in the water bodies. It's called collection. The sun heats up water in water bodies such as river, lakes and ocean, turning the water into vapor or steam. It's called evaporation. Next is match the following. Atmosphere, atmosphere. So the answer is blanket of air. Yes. Water cycle, process through which water moves all around the earth. Precipitation, it means water falls on earth as rain or snow. Wind force, stormy weather. जब हवा का दबाव बहुत तेज होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा आता है, तो ऐसा लगता है ना कि स्टॉर्म आने वाला है. Strong winds, wind force, sorry, it's done by mistake. Wind force, it means gentle, moderate, strong. And strong winds, it means stormy weather. Short time state of the atmosphere, it's called weather. And long time state of the atmosphere, it's called climate. It's done. Next, MCQs. So tick the correct option. First is the clouds are largely made up of dust, air, water vapor or breeze. So the answer is largely made up of water vapor. Dash is gentle wind, storm, rain, snow or breeze. Breeze. When it rains, water may fall back on rivers, lakes, land or all of these. तो सब में ही जाता है water. All of these. Dash is the amount of water vapor in air, dust, rain, humidity or snow. The answer is humidity. Weather changes once in a few months, quickly, once in a year or after many months. So the answer is quickly. Now the book work has finished. You have to do this work only in book, and you have to draw the diagram of the water cycle in your fair notebook. Okay, you have to make it and color it beautifully. लेकिन अब क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रह गए हैं, वो मैम आपको बताएंगी अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक आई होप कि आपने जो आज वर्क नहीं किया है वो अपनी बुक में आप कंप्लीट कर लेंगे और साथ साथ लर्निंग वर्क भी करना है. सो टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय. जल्दी से मिलते हैं.